Hello again, guys. Today I will be unboxing the Tornado V3M flagship. I got the flagship because I don't really like maglev. Let's get into it. Is this a new cube or a new phone? We will put the cube aside for now. Let's see what we have here. Instructions. A cool bag. A tool for adjusting. A cleaning cloth. A debit card to buy more cubes. It's hard to get out with one hand. Book that helps you learn how to solve the Rubik's Cube, and now the cube itself. Very cool box. Let's get into first turns. Wow, this cube is extremely smooth. I don't have anything bad to say about this cube. Let's do a quick solve. Not very quick. This is the best cube I have ever had. Now I'm going to do some solves while I talk about the cube. This is the flagship version. That means it has core magnets. Unlike the Pioneer version, this is using normal screws. Pioneer is using the new maglev technology. That means that it uses magnets instead of screws. That makes it way too fast. In my opinion, this is the best version. Another thing I really like about this cube is that you don't need tools to adjust the tension. You can find a little lever inside the cap with what you can adjust it. First solve 40 for seconds. Pretty bad. The magnets can be adjusted too. I really think that this is one of the best cubes because the price isn't that big for what you get. If you are from Romania and want to get this cube, you can find it on genios.ro. It's a Romanian cubing site. If you're from other countries, you can find it on sites such as Speed Cube Shop, The Cubicle, and Daily Puzzles. Even though it isn't that cheap, the quality is very close to the GAN 13 at half the price. In my opinion, this cube is very good. Now I will let the rest of the video with the rest of the solves. That was it. I hope you liked it. See you next time. Bye.